I think one of the fondest memories I have of my dog Max is he was the cuddliest dog ever.
My first cat, Millie, she was like my sister growing up as a kid.
People say that a dog is man's best friend, but it's so true. I couldn't imagine life without my dog. I decided to start Get Set Pet because I thought I really want to start my own e-commerce business and prove actually that the customer can truly be at the heart of everything we do.
I would like to think that the difference that a customer of Get Set Pet experiences is a little bit of extra love that goes into the whole process. We put a little gift in, there's a handwritten card. We try to use the right packaging for the right type of content as well.
We have names that as soon as they pop into the inbox, we know who they are and what animals they have, what they feed them.
The website is really easy to use. I can just log on, I can change my order, I can delay it, I can change the date. And when I've had to get in contact with the company, I've emailed them and they're really, really quick getting back to me. So Get Set Pet, brilliant.
In the early months we were doing 10, 20 orders a day. More recently we're into triple figures. As we've grown, one of the biggest challenges is space. It would be really nice if we could have racking which better represented the full allocation of stock that we hold. We're also trying to improve the range that we offer to customers.
The funding is going to be spent on customer acquisition and marketing is the biggest point of spending. We want to work with other key players in the pet industry to partner and offer our customers more key hires, bringing in exceptional people, our own kind of white label products. We're starting off with treats, technology spend to upgrade our systems and platform, as well as working capital. So that's a lot about holding more stock so that we don't have out of stock issues, which will actually help us drive more sales.
We're a hugely ambitious company. We want to be the largest pet supplies company in the UK. We've already built some strong partnerships. We've just built a partnership with an insurance company. So the future is incredibly exciting.
We've been working with Get Set Pet for a couple of years now. At Burns, we like to think that as well as being a great pet food manufacturer, we're also a force for good. John Burns, our founder, actually insists that we plough 25% of all of our profits back into community projects. And that's one of the reasons we like working with Get Set Pet so much. Got a very similar ethos to us about giving back as well as providing great service.
We've managed to double our revenue in the last year. We've got over 1,100 subscription customers and importantly to us, over 2,000 five-star reviews. We're really excited about where we can go. There's still so much opportunity going forward. There's a massive market and we really think we can accelerate the growth a lot.
Get Set Pet has emerged bigger and stronger and ready to continue its impressive growth into 2022 and beyond. So join us and thousands of delighted customers as we accelerate our mission to help our pets live happier and healthier lives. With your support, we look forward to raising the bar even further in our quest to become the UK's largest, best rated pet supplies business. Thank you.